My battery is dying, so. Hey, there's a beautiful piano. May I sit here somehow? I'm just wondering if there's a physics. No. Can I grab it? No. No. Beautiful piano. Okay. Yeah, lovely teleportation. Hence, no hands recognition at the moment, but the moving fingers. Tilt? No. Just trigger and squeeze. Great, let's have a look. I like pyramids outside. There are no stars. There is a star. I love stars. What is that star? There's more than one star. That's beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. Super cool. One more thing. Getting on the. Come on. Getting here. Beautiful. I can get out. Okay, bye. I'm going further. I'm going somewhere. Yeah. I should fall down. I should fall down somewhere. And it's on both hands. Lovely. All right. Very nice. Very nice.